accounting team is managing roll forward processes that are time-consuming and manual with spreadsheets full of endless tabs, formulas, and VLOOKUPs. They don't have to. You can transform those painful processes so you can spend your time on more meaningful work. Today, we'll highlight how you can achieve faster and more accurate roll forwards. Let's start at the beginning. What is a roll forward? Roll forwards help categorize and explain activity over time. According to our customers, fixed asset roll forwards are the most painful roll forward process. So let's use that as our example. A typical manual roll forward process is performed in spreadsheets. The preparer spends time gathering fixed asset transactions, bringing them into an Excel spreadsheet, manually categorizing the transactions, updating spreadsheet formulas to summarize additions, depreciation, disposals, and other roll forward categories. Preparers must be wary of formula errors, hard-coded data, and other spreadsheet issues to ensure the roll forward isn't compromised. Hours of time are spent on preparation with little time left for analysis and follow-up. It doesn't have to be that way. BlackLine can automate your roll forward process, and let me show you how. First, you'll bring your GL detail into BlackLine. Then, we enhance the data. Looking at the components of your roll forward, you may need to group individual assets into categories or asset classifications. We call those account groups. If you need to group your cars, trucks, motorcycles, and boats together as vehicles, BlackLine can do so automatically using a lookup table. You also need to identify transactions by roll forward category. For example, additions, disposals, depreciation, and so on. BlackLine can automatically assign a category based on rules you define. These are the same rules you're probably applying manually in your spreadsheets. In this example, we're telling BlackLine that if the text on this data import contains the word purchase, then assign the roll forward category additions. Some organizations require you to adjust your fixed asset roll forward to cash basis, or compare the fixed asset roll forward results to consolidated results. BlackLine can automate those comparisons. With the data imported, grouped, and categorized automatically, and a roll forward report that can be scheduled and exported, you get to focus your time on the end game. Higher value analysis, which ties to your statement of cash flows and your notes to the financial statements. With manual roll forward processes, users are often pressed for time to get everything done. They prepare roll forwards and quickly pass them off to the next stakeholder, maybe financial reporting, the controller, or the auditors. With end-to-end BlackLine automation, you save time and minimize risk, and you can focus on analyzing and reviewing that roll forward. Now that you've seen the automation potential enabled by BlackLine, I want to challenge you to go beyond, to be a more empowered accountant. If you're being asked to perform a roll forward, there is a reason for that. Understand the importance of the assignment and take the value of it to your organization. Think about what value you can bring to the process, and reach out to us. We're here to spark innovation and guide you. Thanks for watching. Be sure to check out the other videos in this series to learn how you can transform even more manual processes.